Hello, Americans. I'm Harley Coverman. When faced with the seemingly simple question of who founded electricity, many people will answer Benjamin Franklin. And if that's your case, you're not exactly correct. Ben Franklin did work with electricity, but do you know the rest of the story? Franklin was born on January 17, 1706, and conducted his historic kite experiment during the summer of 1752. But that's not where the history of electricity began. A Dr. Wilhelm Kong found pots of clay while searching through a museum basement. After investigation, these were given the title of the Batteries of Babylon, which were dated back to circa 250 BCE. Further down the timeline, years before Benjamin Franklin, William Gilbert had established the science of studying electricity and magnetism, prior to his studies being continued by Sir Thomas Browne, who recorded his investigations in journals and books. Both men used the term electricity prior to Franklin's relevance. Franklin had not created electricity, but he had added critical information to the already known basic ideas of electricity. Some terms he is credited with are the terms negative and positive ions. He first used these concepts, as well as the concept of battery charge. On a trip to Boston, Franklin witnessed Mr. Spence performing multiple electrical experiments, which inspired Franklin to conduct his famous kite experiment. In a letter to his friend Peter Collinson, Franklin explained his procedure on how he would go about his experiment. He explained how during a thunderstorm, lightning would strike a metal key he had attached to the body of a kite. Successful in this experiment, Franklin proved that lightning was a form of electricity. He published these findings 4 months after he conducted the experiment, but other forms of electricity were already known prior to the publishing of his experiment. And now you know the rest of the story.